Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need your VPN connection to look like normal internet traffic? In this guide, I will show you how to use NordVPN obfuscated servers so you can bypass VPN blocks and stay completely undetectable. Obfuscations hides your VPN uses so it appears as regular web browsing. This is essential in places where VPNs are blocked, like certain countries, workplaces, or schools. You will want obfu- you will want obfuscations if you are facing internet censorship, blocked streaming services, or restricted networks that try to detect and block VPN traffic. In the NordVPN app, go to Specialty Servers and select Obfuscated Server or choose a specific country like United States or United Kingdom or Canada. Once connected, your VPN traffic is disguised instantly. By default, NordVPN uses Nord Linux for speed, but obfuscated servers automatically switch to the best protocol for stealth. Sometimes it will prompt you to use OpenVPN for compatibility. NordVPN handles this automatically. With obfuscation, you get privacy, access to restricted content, and protection from VPN detection, all without needing technical skills. Plus, NordVPN's huge network in over 60 countries keeps you fast and secure anywhere. And that's how to make NordVPN undetectable. Turn on obfuscation, choose your server, and browse without limits. For more quick VPN tips, hit like and subscribe.